Okay, guys, I'm back. I thought I'd do the whole thing because this one's already dry. It goes really fast. It was not even, I think, 40 minutes and it was dry. We did have a little bit of sun, which is gone now because it's raining. But you probably live somewhere where you have a little bit more sun. So I think if you have a birthday, you could do something with the kids and come back and you can finish it off. So what you can do is print out the initial, and that makes it really easy because you stick this on a piece of cardboard like this, just a bit of cardboard, and you cut it out. I wouldn't let kids do that, by the way. I'll tell you a funny story about that. I'll show you. Can you see that here? This, believe it or not, these stitches, I got them when I was around, let's say, I think I was 11, something like that. And the funny thing, well, funny, I went with my dad to a boot sale, and there was someone who had those, I don't know how you call it. They're those really sharp things that you carve wood with. And I was already, as a child, I was so freaking creative. I drove my parents crazy. So I saw those things and I was thinking, oh, I can do beautiful things with that with wood. So I went to my dad. I said, I want a set of those things. And my dad said, no, you're way too young to use those. They are sharp. It is dangerous. And you can't do that when you're, just 11 years old. So, well, by then I knew that if I just, got in a hissy fit, I would get them. So just wouldn't stop nagging my dad. I said, I want them, and you can teach me, and you go, Well, long story short, I got them, and we got home, and my dad got me a little piece of wood, and I was thinking I'm gonna make something for my little sister, like something to put the pens in, and he told me how to do it, and he watched me carve a little bit, and he thought, okay, she understands that she can't do that, because then when you slip, you're going to do something. So he went, and I don't know what he did, got a cup of coffee, something like that. He went to the living room. I was in the kitchen, and I was like doing that, so it was very safe. But then all of a sudden I turn it around and I put that thing in, and I slip and I cut right through here, and I'm telling you, big hole. But when something like that happens, I get really calm. So I go to the water, the tap, and I start running water in there. But then it goes open and all the water goes in, and like the hole is even bigger and blood everywhere. And very softly I say, Dad, can you take me to the hospital? And even though I said it softly, my dad said, what? I said, take me to the hospital, please. And my dad came running, threw me in the car, and that was it. So, and of course he said, I told you so. And he said never to ask him for stuff like that anymore because he wasn't going to do it. Okay, so you put it on there, you cut them out. You can print this, so it's very easy. You don't have to do any, calligraphy or whatever you call it. Just pick out a big font, and this is 800 points, so you know where you have to start. Then when you have this ready, the kids can do the wrapping. Now, what we have is aluminium foil, and what I like to do, because you can put it straight on like that, of course, but that's not nice. So you do this. Make it all crunchy, like that. Then put it on. And now I'll need something to cut. Oh, I have something here. You cut all along the sides, like that. Yeah, it makes a lot of noise, I know. So, can you imagine having, I don't know, 12 kids over doing this? It's only going to make a little noise. Cutting it around here. Okay, then you fold it. You fold it around like that. And this is something children can do. It's really easy. See, this is much prettier than just the flat aluminium foil on it. Then here you have to cut into the corners, otherwise you won't get it nicely covered. Fold that up, fold that way, make this nice and flat. Then you'll have to cut in here. Always cut the corners. You can help kids do this. And some kids, depending on the age, they will understand how to do this. Fold it around. So that's it. Now we have a nice letter, and if you want it to be really nice and sharp, you want to sort of make the sides nice and flat. Pulling that around. And then you take that, what you've made, making it nice and flat, and you put it on there, and look at that. Is that not pretty? And I'm pretty sure children will love to go home with something like this and hang it in their bedroom. They'll be very happy with it, I'm pretty sure. I think it's really creative. So I'm just going to hold it on here. See that? How beautiful that is? Who wouldn't love one of these? And really, it doesn't cost that much. You need one roll of aluminum foil. You could do, like, I would say, wow, you could do like 100 letters. You need a couple of these boards. They cost next to nothing. You need a little bit of paint. Next to nothing. I think the whole thing, the whole object will be something like, I don't know, $1, $1.50, something like that. And you will have them doing fun stuff. I love this. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to hang it in my bedroom. Sorry, guys. But I really am. I love it. So then you get, of course, you get some glue, because you got to glue it on. So we'll put some glue on here. Zippity-doo-dah. That's it. That's more than enough. And we're going to stick it on. And then you just let it, you know, lay in the sun for a bit more so that it's stuck on there. And they can take it home. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. I love you all to pieces for watching this. And I'm going to say, I see you in the next video. Look at that. It's like a diamond. I love that. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. See you.